Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing some tomato. Just, okay, let me see. These are not quite ready yet. I just got some tomato. Alright, now I need to get some basil. I'm going to be making some tomato sauce from scratch. Some basil. Nice fresh basil. Not that much. Alright, now we're gonna wash these, start making our sauce. Alright guys, so we're gonna get our tomatoes and we're just gonna cut them in small. You could take the seeds out, you could keep the seeds in. I'm keeping the seeds in this one because I want it to be chunky. Even the small one, you could just cut them in. Then you could leave these whole and just cut them. When you cut them, you extract the juice quicker. And you're gonna let this, you could cut the green parts off. The basil, and get some onions in there. Alright, and that's it. You're just gonna keep cutting everything you got. Add some garlic. Then we're gonna go ahead and make our tomato sauce, tomato basil sauce, fresh. All right, so now we have our onions, basil, tomato. We're gonna add some chopped garlic, and if you got fresh garlic, that's even better. I have some garlic growing, but they're not ready yet, so I'm using some garlic, it's minced garlic. So that should be enough. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of salt. You could do this while it's boiling, but I just like to add everything in one. Now we're gonna add this to a saucepan, low heat, and keep mixing it, extracting all the juice, and I'm just gonna let it simmer for at least an hour and a half. All right, so we have our hot pan going. I'm just gonna go ahead and add in our mixture. All right, and we're just gonna go ahead now and cover this and let that sit for a minute. All right, so yep, like I said before, we're just gonna go ahead and cover that bad boy. And then once it starts to steam, we're gonna go ahead and just get in there with a wooden fork and just break up the tomatoes so you get some juice. I don't wanna add no liquid to this one, guys. I want you guys to see how much liquid I could extract from these tomatoes. All right, I could hear it. I'm going close for you guys to hear. Starting to boil. Starting to bubble. It's hot enough. You see the steam coming up. Just gonna go in there and just boil these up. I like making everything fresh from scratch, organic, no chemical. Just keep it covered. I'll come back when there's more action. And you can see now, guys, all the liquid is starting to form. All right, we're just gonna keep rotating so nothing is sticking. Just keep breaking them up. The more you break them up, the more liquid you're gonna get. The more liquid you get, of course, the more sauce you get. Alright, we're just gonna go ahead and cook these down until everything is cooked. And once everything is cooked, I'll come back. Alright, guys, so we're right where we need to be. I'm gonna remove the cover. I'm gonna get my blender. I'm just gonna go in there. Very nice little. Not too much. You want it to be. I don't turn it into a soup. I want it still to be chunky. I'm gonna give it some nice. simmer for like an hour and get thick. All right, guys, so now we're ready. But what we're gonna do is if you could see, it's bubbling up. You don't want to open that, you get burned. We're gonna go in and we're gonna turn our burner to off. We're gonna let it sit for a minute, cool. Then we're gonna come and open it. All right. All right, so now that that's cool, you remove your lid, and you got your nice tomato and basil sauce here. All right, now we're just gonna transfer this to a container. You can send this to a jar. Now we're gonna go ahead and transfer into a jar. Make sure you got still hands. Obviously I don't.